Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to build a landing page or a sales page with AI. How you can build a landing page or a sales page with AI. And I tell you, it's very easy and it's something that anybody can do as far as you can operate your laptop. Alright, just like what you are seeing, this a perfect example of what is called a landing page. You can see it's used to sell a course or a training. So you can see how it looks like. Very easy and very smart. Okay, this is one. All right, this is one. This is another one here. All right, this is another one. You can see how it looks like. You can see this. You can see this. All right, if you click on get update here, you will get access to this. Then this is another one. This is for affiliates or making money online. You can see that. Right, how young Nigerians are making 500 with their smartphone. You can see that. Click to join. All right, you can see all the pages have been. They are well designed. They are well designed. Okay, well designed for you to use. You can see this now. Has the smartphone word secret affiliate marketing. You can see all of these things. So, all right, you can see all the pages have been designed. And the funniest part is there is no single line of editing here. All these things you are seeing was done with AI. So I'll be showing you how you can use AI to build a landing page just like what you are seeing here. It's very easy and it's very simple to do. Okay, I'll be showing you that step by step. All you need to do is to stay with me while we do this together. All right. Okay, so we are going to be doing this together in this particular training. All right, but before we do that, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, here is my YouTube channel. All we do here, we teach you three aspects of online. We enable you to learn how you can also earn and thrive online. So these are the things we do here. All you need to do is to subscribe if you have not done so, and make sure you smash the notification bell so you always be notified whenever video like this are posted. All right, so having explained this, let's go ahead and do this. So if you want to do this now, there are two app or two software, two AI you need. The first one you need is the first software you need or the first AI you need is ChatGPT. It's very easy. You need ChatGPT, which is your number one AI tool that you're going to need, and the second one is Google Gemini. Right? You need Google Gemini, you need ChatGPT. This particular app, this particular software or AI, they are the things that's going to run the magic for us. Okay. So another thing, another tool you also need is Microsoft Word, where you're going to do all your prompting. You can use Microsoft Word, you can use a notepad where you can do all your prompting. Like for me, I've done my prompting here. Now look at this. I said I want to build a landing page for this particular video. I said I want to build a landing page for AI video creation course. I want the page to have 10 sections with no menu. The title will be become an AI creation expert in 10 days. Right? AI creation expert in 10 days. Add a subtitle, also add an image. You can get image from Pixabay and the rest of them, and the testimonial. Add a testimonial session, fact session where everyone needs this course, a call to action that leads to WhatsApp. I need the website color to be blue, black, and white. Alright, use bold italics where necessary. Write a prompt for me to build using Google Gemini. Can you see that now? So this is a prompt. This is a prompt I will give to ChatGPT to give me the prompt. Then I will now take the prompt to Google Gemini. Okay, so it is very easy and it's very simple. So you can see the way the prompt is done. So what matters most is how you prompt your AI determine what you're going to get at the end of the day, because most of the time some person say it's not giving me what I want, it's not giving me what it is, because you are not prompting the right way. You are not prompting the right way. If you prompt carefully, and if you prompt the way you're supposed to prompt, because Google, all these AI tools, they are what is called garbage in, garbage out. If you don't give it the right tool or the right prompting, it will give you rubbish. Not that they don't know what to do, but just that you are not giving them the right prompting. What matters most is for you to be able to prompt properly. Okay, so now let's go ahead. I'll copy this. All right, I'll come to ChatGPT here. Can you see that now? So I will just put the prompt there and say, okay, because I've already said write a prompt for me to build this page using Google Gemini. Once I do that and I click on enter, it's going to give me the prompting. Right, going to give me the prompt. Can you see now? Right, can you see? Here is a high converting detailed prompt. You can copy and paste in Google Gemini or any AI software builder to generate your landing page, blah blah. You can see that. So you can see it's taking time to generate all the necessary prompting. So once this is done, I will copy this prompt and go to my Gemini to generate the landing page, which I will now take to my website to upload. And you will see that before you know what's happening, you are done with a full-fledged landing page for you, either yourself or for your business or for as many persons as possible. And you can charge a cool amount of money for this. Okay, so you can see, let's see if it's done good. Good. Now let's copy what you has given to us. Let's copy. You can just click on this to copy. Now let's go to Google Gemini. All right. If you go to Google Gemini, if you don't have an account, ensure to sign up. All right. Ensure to sign up with your email and that. So I'll come here and I'll paste it. Okay. That is all. I'll just paste it and I'll click on go. All right. You will see what's going to do for me now. All right. You see what's going to do for me. Can you see? It will generate the code and everything for me. So which I will just copy to my cPanel and you see how it will work. All right, I'm telling you, this is a live practical class. All right, you can see a live practical session. So it's not just about telling you this. No, I'm going to, once this code is done, I will take it to my cPanel and I will launch it. You will see that this landing page will come out perfectly the way we want it. And then if there's any adjustment, we can as well tell the prompt, the ChatGPT or Google Gemini to do some adjustment where necessary. Okay, so it's still loading. Let's see if it's done with that. Okay, you can see how it is. You can see it's still loading. I see it's still loading. Okay, good. I think it is done with this thing now. So let's copy it. Let's copy what we have so far. Let's copy. Good. I will click on this to copy. All right. I'll copy this now. Then I'll go to my website here. Here's my cPanel. Right. I'll just go to my file manager. I'll go to my file manager here. Okay. Come to my file manager. I want this one to be live so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'll just come here. Open this. Then I will just come to my I'll create a folder and call it sales page. All right, sales page. So let me just call it this. That's my folder. I see that that's the sales page. So I'll open this folder up, then come to file. All right, I will just call it, let me just call it index.html. Okay, then I'll click on create a new file. So I will edit this now. Click on right click and select edit. All right, then I'll click on edit. Okay, this is the file here. Then I'll come back to my Gemini. This is my Gemini. I'll copy this code. Then I'll come here and paste it. Can you see that now? Then I'll click on save changes. Okay, I'll save changes. Now let's test what we have just done. Okay, then remember it's sales page. Let's see what we have. All right, good. You can see it's loading. Very easy. Can you see that now? Say become an AI. Can you see that? It's still loading. Can you see this now? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this now? Right? You can see it's easy. It even give us fact. This for beginner. Absolutely okay. Can you see that? Okay. Can you see that? Can you see that? How long is it? 10 days program with lifetime access. Relying money. Why results depend on effort. We'll show you exactly how to monetize this skill. All right. You can see that. You can see where it says click to join our WhatsApp group. Ready to start with your AI journey. So you can see that this particular thing you are seeing now was done with AI. Now, if I still come back to my Gemini and I say I don't like the design, right? If I come back here, I can tell Gemini that I don't like the design, all right? So if I say I don't like the design, it will give me another one. So I'll click on go, right? It will give me another. Okay, yeah, I hear you. Sometimes standard pressure can be blah blah. So you just give me, so it's going to give me a more different design. So you can see generating another one for me now. I'll copy this again, then go to my website, remove the one that is there, paste this particular new code that you just gave me. Then I will run it again to see how far is the work is already going. Now, if I come back here, you can see that I want to make some adjustment. You can see where I say, wow, I want to add so because You cannot just give it all the features at once. Understand that part. You don't just give your AI all the features at once. So know how to start first. At the end of the day, you can always improve on what you have. You can start adding some things that were not there at the initial stage. So you can say, okay, add this one, add this one, add this one. It's like you are building up something, right? Because if you just give all the prompt at once, I tell you, you are going to get so many errors. You're going to get so many errors. So start little by little, little by little, little by little, and you get good results. Okay, you get good results. So let's see what we have so far. I think it has given us the I think it has given us the code. So now let's go ahead again and try what we have. So I will copy this. All right, I will copy this. Very easy. Copy it. You can see that I will copy it. Then come to all right. So this is it. So remember, this was the code that we are using. So I'll right click on it and I'll paste the new one. And I'll go ahead and save changes. All right, remember this was what we had before. So I can come back here and refresh. Let's see. Can you see now? Can you see that this is different from what we had before? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Very, very different. Ready to evolve. Ready to. I think I like this design. So if at the end of the day there are some things I would like to add, I can come back to my ChatGPT, my Gemini, and say, okay, before students' result, add something. Right? I can come now. Let's say I want to add something here. I can copy this. I will say before this part, this student result session, comma, add a new session with image slides. Now you can see what I'm going to do here. Remember to say don't alter, do not alter the structure, because if you not say that, I tell you it's going to scatter everything for you. Do not alter the structure of the design. Very easy of the design. So I'll go ahead and click on go. Right, it will just add that part I just said. So to maintain how can you see that now? So still go ahead. Okay, so it will just give me that part, but then since you are new to coding, it will, like for me, I know what to do at this point, but since you don't know what to do, just come back and say give me the complete code. Right, complete code, give me the complete code. So I'll hit on that. Right, it will give me the complete code with that session added. So you can see that it will give me the complete code. That is how easy it is. Very, very easy. Right, and now you can see that everything I've just done is already launched. If you open that link up now, you see that that landing page is already there. Right, if you want to create, maybe you want to create a thank you page, you can still go ahead and create a thank you page and it will be done for you. It will be done for you. So that is how easy it is to build a landing page or a sales page with AI. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. It's still loading. Okay, okay, good. So now let's go ahead and copy all of this. Let's copy this. Let's copy. So I'll go back to my page here. All right. So this is where I'm working. I'll come here, Control A, Control V, and I'll save changes. All right. Then I come back here and refresh, Control R. All right. So you see, can you see what we have now? Can you see what we have? Can you see what we have here? Okay, still loading. Can you see now? Can you see the slide I said? This is student results. Can you see now? So this is how easy it is to build a landing page or a sales page with AI. You don't need to stress yourself. Everything is already done for you. Can you see how easy it is? Right? All the content will also be given to you by AI. All right. I hope you enjoyed this session and I hope you also enjoyed how to do this. Very, very easy and very, very Simple. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. If you've not done so, don't forget to also like and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any challenge, do well to reach out to me and I'll be glad to assist you. All right, guys. Thank you and see you in my next video.